Hi guys, it's Dana and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Christmas. I wanted to do a what I got for Christmas video and I slept in all day. I'm exhausted. It's literally 6 o'clock and I've been asleep all day long. So with that being said, I just wanted a quick disclaimer.
I'm not trying to brag, just honestly just showing you guys what I got for Christmas.
And I'm super excited for everything I got here. Trying to get back into YouTube. I might upload this before I upload my other video I was editing earlier. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. If it seems a little rushed, I'm sorry. This is the only time I have to do this video and I really want to get it done. Let's get started. My parents are divorced now, so I have to go to two separate sides of the family for Christmas. If you know, you know. This face steamer. Okay, I'm so excited for this. I've been wanting a steamer for my skin for the longest time. Can't wait to use this. Got this for my mom, so super excited for that, Mom. Thank you. Next, I got this ring light, like for, what's it called? My phone and for my camera, so I'm really excited about this too. This was from my dad. I got this Apple Watch. I got the rose gold Series 6. I think I did it wrong. I think I set it up wrong because you're normally supposed to have a little button thing on the right side and mine's on the left and I can't figure it out. So yeah, we'll figure it out together one day. But okay, next I got this. My dad got me this little box. It's for Dana and it's just like this cute little like decorative box that when I get back home to my apartment I'm just gonna put like all my like seasonal decorations that I have because it's pretty big. I got these huge fluffy socks. Like these are like almost the size of my leg and super excited for this. I don't have my fuzzy socks back in my apartment. And then he got me some U of A beanies. They look a little big but they'll do, you know, they'll work. I got this pair of fuzzy socks for my brother. He also got me some candy. Give me 1 second, my eyelash is coming off. Okay. Oh yeah. I look beat up, but it's fine. This blow dryer. It came with a couple other pieces, but this is Monet blow dryer. It's a travel size blow dryer. You can remove the pieces, so it's like this, put it on so it targets different areas like this, or it has a blowout diffuser, so girls with curly hair. I'm out of breath, severely. That was from my grandma. She ordered it and didn't want it. So next I got this watch band from Amazon for my mom. I haven't opened it yet, but I know exactly what it looks like. It is literally just a like a nice like link one, and rather than the sporty one I have like the pink sporty one, like a nice watch, so that'll be nice to wear when I go to work, like a formal event. Good to just switch it out and it'll be a nice formal one. All right, moving on. Next, for my mother, I got this Monet skincare set from our holiday thing. So if you guys didn't know, me and my mom work for a network marketing company called Monet. It's hair, skin, and wellness, and I love their products to death. So in this skin set, it came with oil, eye cream, a rewind, which, yay, skin essence, and check this out. But then it also came with this little skincare massager set. So looks like this, and it has these 3 different tools and you can just literally give yourself like a facial. I'm excited, especially with my new steamer. That's gonna be really exciting. Moving on, I'm gonna keep going with gifts I got from my mom. So she got me these pairs of eyelashes from Amazon. I made an Amazon like wish list, and then she bought me a bunch of stuff that I had in there. So excited to try these out. I was gonna put them on for this video, but I was saying I have to do something literally in less than like 20 minutes. And next she got me this USB digital multi-port adapter. So it's like this plugs into your computer and it has all of these adapters. I was constantly having like these like 1 by 1 things, and they were all costing me as much as like one of these. So like this was like 40 bucks, 50 bucks for just to put in an SD card to edit my videos, and I had just one for like a USB and HDMI, and it was getting annoying. But now this one has all of it, so I'm super excited for this because I'm gonna start taking this with me everywhere I go. My brother, back to my brother, he gave me those pink fuzzy socks, some Skittles, so that's Skittles, and this nice, what is this? Cool, I don't know how to say it. Chocolate. Love candy. Sweet tooth person. Let's talk about White Elephant. White Elephant was so much fun. It's a huge tradition on my dad's side of the family. And I picked this gift. It was Hawaiian chocolate. And these ones are really good. I forget who gets these every year, but they're really, really good. They're great chocolates. And my cousin Kyle got this, a scale. So you can weigh yourself before, after. Oh my god. Oh. She got me this Arizona Wildcats t-shirt. I picked it out. I was literally with her and then I couldn't find it. Super soft. I think it's from Costco. And then shirts from Amazon. Okay, I'm so excited for this. Got this little white off the shoulder, one shoulder white ribbed top. Yeah, one in black. Super excited. I don't know which shoulder it goes on, and there's no tag, so I think it can go on like either. And tank tops either around the house or like just in outfits in general. Like I got this in black, white. These are really, really nice materials. So, and it's double lined, so you could not wear a bra, and I'm a sucker for not wearing bras. And then this, like, it said tan, but this looks more like a taupe top, whatever color. It's tan on camera too, but it's not that tan in person. So yeah, I'm excited for these tops. I was gonna change into it, but I wanted to stay festive. Oh yeah, my mom got me these pajamas. Oh, they're matching set, and I love it. Super cute, we match. My tia Gisela got me this cute little bucket purse. I've been wanting a little bucket purse for the longest time, and I'm someone who's into either like a really nice big bag or a tiny bag. So there's no in between. I literally don't have like any medium-sized purses. So yeah, my mother also got me some mascara. And for my dad, he got me this, like, I don't know how to describe this. You put it on over yourself, and it's like really, really long. It's not a blanket, and it's not like a onesie either. It's like a thing in between, but it's for when you're really hot. Cousins are here. I'm gonna do the rest of this when I'm done. So yeah, we're almost done, so I'm just gonna finish it. From me and Susan, my lovely host parents in Virginia, I got really nice beige weekender bag. I'm terribly excited for this. They also got me this really cute pink backpack, and I've also been needing a new backpack. I start taking better care of my things because I will not mess with it. I had this cute little, another Monet bag. This is like a crossbody little bag. A lot of people said it's similar to the Gucci bag. I don't have Gucci, so I can't compare it to that, I guess. I'm excited. It comes with a little cover on it too, so that's exciting. Gold chain. I'm gonna wear this probably later or tomorrow. I don't know if you can see it. You'll get the point. Got these Christmas socks. It's really cute, but it says "Believe in you like I do," and it's a little silver like cuff. Adorable. They got me another one when I left this summer. Okay. Minnie Mouse bracelet. It's cute. I'm excited for that. Little Pura Vida bracelet, a couple stickers. I'm excited for that. Minnie Mouse socks. My dog's scratching at my door again. Some more stickers. I don't know how to pronounce this chocolate, but peppermint chocolate. LED like necklace thing. I'm gonna give this to my mom, but it's a motion sensor like nightlight. I'm really bad at being in the dark, but it's fine. And then this I'm excited for. It's one of those mini fans. One of these. Oh yes, and it's actually really hot in here, so this is great. I'm gonna leave this on right there. Comes with a little charger. It's actually like so soothing. This, it says dream big. I think it's a coaster. I think it feels like a coaster, looks like a coaster, so I think it's a coaster. That is Oh, that is everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry this was like a little rushed, but I still wanted to get it done. Stay tuned. I'm going to be posting pretty much every week, sometimes twice a week when I have the time to. I don't know what my next video is going to be, but yeah. And like, subscribe, comment what videos you guys want to see. Follow my other social media accounts. I'll link those down below. I will try my best to like link everything that I can find down below. If not, I'll try to find like dupes. Yeah, I am so happy I actually got to sit down and take the small amount of time that I had in my day to do this video. Merry Christmas everybody, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Sometimes you gotta love somebody from afar. Baby, it ain't cute when you fuck with my heart. Too many